Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna check out here is the one of the best fruit infusion water bottle for fitness, sports, dieting, healthy lifestyle. Incredible. Beautiful. It got beautiful green and blue. Look at the bottle. Really nice. Waterproof. And I'm gonna explain to you what I mean by fruit infusion. See that in the middle, we're gonna tell you. So right here it tells you the time from when you should be drinking to helping you from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Really nice grip right here. Grip when you're drinking. Really nice, leak-proof, extra security so nothing could come through. Got a nice handle to hold. Open this up. Press the button right here. You could see here, this rubber stops it from coming through. Beautiful. We unscrew this right now. You can see that right here. Now you pull this out. Really nice clean bottle. In here now, this here is where, oh, they also send a cleaner right here. A cleaner will go in here and clean the bottle. Incredible. This right here, you could do lemon, strawberries, bananas, whatever you want. You wash it, cut it up, and put it in here. And see all the holes right here? The water gets in there. And I'm going to tell you what I do because I have another bottle. All my lemon and blueberry and strawberries, I normally add it. I fill up my water in here. I'll fill my water probably about halfway sometimes. And then I put it in here. I close it up and I leave it in the fridge. I will leave it in the fridge for about a day. Oh, and another thing what you could do, what I do too, I add green tea bags. So I put about 2 green tea bags in there and I let it observe. I mean, amazing. And you could put a couple pieces of ice in here, just leave it in the fridge. And this right here is a nice holder for it. So if it's cold, you could just put the holder over it. Listen, this company is a good company. They got great review on Amazon. It's lightweight. I love the color. I love the design. I love everything about this bottle. And I'm not just telling this here to sell you this or whatever. I'm just here to give you my opinion and my honest review. Instead of buying juice out there with a lot of sugar and chemical, you make your own juice right at home. Check in the description box for price and detail and get your hand on an amazing fruit fusion bottle.